always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's.
Hey guys, welcome back to Self-Care Health and Wellness, guys. Welcome to my morning routine here, guys. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Yes, guys. Subscribe. So these are some of my morning exercises, guys. Yes, I would love for you to participate. Yes, man. Get up out of the bed, guys. Get up out of the bed and do workout, right, guys? It is good for our body. Yes, exercise is the key to an healthy lifestyle. So come on, guys, I'm on the ball feet. Yes, here am I on the ball feet doing my morning workout. Let's go, guys. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Whether you have ball feel like myself, yes, whether you have a ball feel like myself here, or you have a healing community that you live on. Yes, that healing community that you may live in. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Do exercise or even in your respective home. Yes, yes. Pull away the sofa, guys, and do a little exercise. Yes, help to strengthen your lungs. Yes, your organs, your heart, refresh your brain. Yes, exercise. Very important. Strengthen your bones, strengthen your joints. That's right. Exercise, guys. Do exercise. Yes. Refresh the mind, the spirit, and the soul. Right? Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, guys. Yeah. Ooh. Yes, guys. Ooh. You can do 30 of these, guys. Ooh. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, Shake it out. Shake it out. Shake it out. Shake it out. Exercise, guys. Exercise. Shake it out. Shake it out. Shake it out, guys. Exercise. Yes. Refresh the mind. Rejuvenate the spirit. The soul. Yes. The mind. Yes, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Woo. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Woo. Yes, guys. Let's go. 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 Yeah. Woo. Massage in my back. Yes, my upper back. Go right down to my lower back. Right this. Yeah. Go up to my upper back there. Even my neck. Yes. So I massage it. Yes. This is a piece of pipe here. So I do. You can get a broomstick, guys. Yes. So I just massage my tired neck. And then I go down to my shoulder. Yes. Work it. Then I go to my back. Yes. My back here. And I massage. Yeah. Massage. And I carry it down to my lower back. Yes. Down to my lower back and my back. Yes. 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 Go down to my thigh. Down to my, yes, leg. Yes. Then I comes up. Yeah. And I go up. And I go up. Go back up. Up. Right guys? Yeah. Ooh. Very refreshing. Workout is very important, guys. It's the key to an healthy lifestyle. Please remember to like, share, comment, right? Comment in the comment section. Share the video to a friend. Share it to your family member. Yes, guys. Exercise is excellent for us. 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Woo, woo. Look at me, guys. All sweating. Beautiful workout. All sweating, guys. Loving it. Look at me. Yeah, massaging my neck. Yes, and this is a piece of pipe. There it is. Yes, massaging my neck down to my shoulder. Yeah, yeah, down to my, back there. There it goes. Right down to my lower back, my butt. Yeah, my butt there. Yes, then I take it down to my thigh. Yes, down to my thigh, down to my leg. Yes, right down, right down. Yeah, right down, right down, guys. Right down. Yeah, yeah, that's right. Yeah. Thank you guys for listening. Thank you guys for watching. One love coming out of Jamaica.